Thor Mining, the most active of the junior miners on the London AIM market. We've had a busy week of announcements. Four things have happened. First of all, we've had the financials, nothing special there. The company produced a loss, but you'd expect that. It's got no source of revenue. However, it's spending less on admin expenses and less on corporate expenses than it was a year ago, so the loss is well down, and the loss in earnings per share terms is well down as well. Drilling results, we've had two sets of those, both for the Spring Hill gold prospect in Australia. The first lot were fairly wishy-washy. We couldn't get wildly excited about them, to be honest, but then they were incomplete, and the company said they were incomplete. The second lot were a whole pile of different cookies. We had some quite extended gold shows of around 2.5 grams a tonne. It's not going to be an elephant this. It's not going to be the biggest, most exciting gold stock you've ever seen. It's not another Ashanti. But as these gold shows are lying underneath what Thor plans to be quite an extensive open pit in the Spring Hill area on the Hong Kong lode, if you're looking at maps there, it just could be quite interesting. The final point that's come up is Thor's largest shareholder and a partner in the Spring Hill gold project is a company called Western Desert Resources that's Australian Stock Exchange quoted, hasn't got a London quote. Pretty big company. It's got a really interesting high-grade iron ore resource in the Northern Territories. A Chinese company has come along and made a takeover offer for Western Desert Resources, and the WDR board has accepted it. So Thor is now in a really interesting position in having a Chinese coal and steel company own the largest, being the largest shareholder in the company, and also being its partner in a gold project. We wonder what's going to happen to this. Will the Chinese develop a taste for gold, or will the Chinese say, no, we don't want the gold, we'll sell this stake? Or will they say, well, we don't want the gold, but we'd rather like some shares in your molybdenum and tungsten prospect instead? Could we do some kind of a corporate deal and have a swap? No wonder everyone's getting excited about the shares. When you get corporate deals coming along, who knows what may happen. Thor Mining, London AIM and Australian Stock Exchange.